I wonder why I'd dialed into, essentially say. But anyway.
Yeah, so it's okay. You're allowed. You're allowed. What's happening up there?
Right, the Miskin area of Mountain Ash, Llanwano Road is currently part blocked. It's due to some kind of incident going on. Emergency services are on the scene. Shartic Road in Shartic, the 548 all clear after that accident, and the A5 in Bethesda is slow because of a broken down tractor part blocking the carriageway. If you head in between Bangor and Capel Curig, something to bear in mind. You're next to date with me just before 3 o'clock.